Have you ever received your property tax bill and found yourself staring at numbers, wondering how they all connect to the amount you owe? Well, a millage rate is a tax rate applied to the assessed value of your property, and it is a key component in calculating how much property tax you will actually pay. The core mechanism behind the millage rate is quite straightforward once you understand what a mill represents. A mill is actually $1 per $1,000 of assessed property value. So, if your local government sets a millage rate of, say, 20 mills, that means you will pay $20 for every $1,000 of your property's assessed value. These rates are determined by local taxing authorities like cities, counties, and school districts to fund public services such as schools, roads, and emergency services. It is the mechanism through which your local community directly funds its operational needs. Understanding how this works in practice is quite simple. First, your property's assessed value is determined by a local assessor, which is often a percentage of its market value. Once you have this assessed value, you can easily calculate your property tax. You just divide your property's assessed value by 1,000 and then multiply that number by the millage rate. For example, if your home has an assessed value of $100,000 and the millage rate is 15 mils, you would divide 100,000 by 1,000, which equals 200. Then, you multiply 200 by 15, giving you $3,000 in property tax for that period. An interesting detail is that different taxing authorities within your area can apply their own millage rates. This means your total property tax bill could be a combination of rates from the county, the city, and even specific improvement districts, all adding up to support various services. So, a single property owner might be subject to multiple millage rates, each contributing to a different public service or entity. This collective total is often referred to as the combined millage rate for your specific location. In essence, the millage rate is the practical tool that translates your property's assessed value into the financial contribution you make to your community. By understanding this rate and how it is applied, you gain clear insight into how your property taxes are calculated and the vital local services they help to fund.